Greetings to you, alumni and friends of Cottey College. As another academic year comes to a close, I wanted to take a few moments to connect with you and share an update on the exciting things happening at Cottey. We recently celebrated commencement on campus, one of the most meaningful and joyful days of the year. Watching our graduates cross the stage is always a powerful reminder of the purpose of the work we do at Cottey. These students arrived with promise and ambition, and they now leave prepared to begin careers, pursue graduate study, serve their communities, and lead meaningful lives. Each graduating class carries forward the mission of Cottey in its own unique way, and we are incredibly proud of all they have accomplished. As we now turn our attention to the next academic year, I am pleased to share that we are very encouraged by where we currently stand on projected fall enrollment. Interest in Cottey remains strong, and we continue to hear from students and families who are seeking a college experience where students are known, supported, challenged, and inspired. Students are drawn to Cottey's small classes, faculty mentorship, leadership opportunities, competitive athletic programs, international experiences, and a campus community where they can truly belong. We will have final enrollment numbers in early September, shortly after the next academic year begins. I am also delighted to share wonderful news regarding the Robertson Parlor. Thanks to the generosity of alumni and friends, with particular thanks to the Cottey College Alumni Association Board for all of their dedicated efforts, we have officially reached our $100,000 fundraising goal for the renovation of this beloved campus space. Renovations will take place this summer, and the renewed parlor will continue serving as a welcoming gathering place for students, guests, and the many memories yet to be made on this campus. To everyone who helped make this possible, thank you for your generosity. One of the most exciting developments this spring was the launch of Go Global 2030 during Founders Weekend. Rather than simply describe it, I would love to share this short video with you.
At Cottey College, we believe that education should open doors, not just to careers, but to the world. In 2000, Cottey took an important step forward by launching the International Experience, an academic tradition that has shaped generations of students and continues to evolve today. For many of our students, the International Experience marks a turning point. It may be their first time leaving the country, or even their first time on an airplane. And in that moment, the world feels larger, and so do their possibilities. When students step into a new place, learning comes alive. They gain confidence. They see their studies in a global context, and they begin to imagine what learning and leadership can look like beyond Cottey's campus. For more than 2 decades, the International Experience has provided these opportunities. Now we are building on those successes. Beginning in the fall of 2026, Cottey is adding new 2-week academic terms to provide dedicated opportunities for immersive, hands-on learning, allowing students to engage deeply with a subject while exploring it in real-world contexts, both close to home and around the globe. To bring this vision to life, Cottey has set a goal to raise $10 million by the end of 2030 to sustain travel-based learning and ensure access to these transformational experiences. The Go Global 2030 initiative ensures these opportunities are preserved, strengthened, and sustained for future generations of students. Our students come from many backgrounds. For some, global travel once felt beyond their reach. Through the Go Global initiative, access will be preserved and expanded, so opportunity is guided by potential, not circumstance. It reflects a long-standing commitment to education that is inclusive, purposeful, and transformational. These experiences do more than broaden horizons. They affirm belonging and shape women who are prepared to lead with perspective and compassion. This is an investment in learning, in possibility, and in the future of Cottey students. As we open the world to our students, we will prepare them to lead, serve, and make a difference wherever they go.
We are excited about what this initiative means not only for today's students, but for generations to come. If you or someone you know would be interested in supporting this effort, please reach out to our advancement office or visit our website at cottey.edu/give. As mentioned in the video, this fall will mark a major academic milestone for Cottey College as we introduce our new academic calendar featuring a 2-week immersive term during which students will take just one class, followed by a 14-week term in which students will generally take 4 classes. The new 2-week term will create opportunities for focused and engaging learning experiences. Students may participate in leadership development options, engage in a specific academic topic, explore service learning possibilities, complete a travel experience, or dive into career preparation opportunities that help connect classroom learning to the real world. For first-year students, it will also provide a strong and supportive start to college life as they explore the college experience together as a cohort, build relationships, and develop the tools needed for success. Following this immersive experience, students will continue into a 14-week semester that provides the rigor and personal attention that define a Cottey education. We are also excited to expand access to Cottey through the launch of online programs this fall. These programs are designed for students who want the academic quality, personal attention, and supportive learning environment of Cottey, but need the flexibility of learning from home. Many adult learners are balancing careers, family responsibilities, military service, or other commitments that make relocating to campus difficult. This fall, we will begin offering online degree programs in behavioral health, child development, and healthcare administration. These areas were selected because they align with growing workforce needs and provide strong pathways for students seeking meaningful and in-demand careers. Our online offerings allow students to pursue academic and professional advancement while benefiting from the same commitment to student success that has always defined the Cottey College educational experience. This expansion allows us to serve new audiences, reach women in new places, and extend the impact of our mission while remaining true to the values that have long guided this institution. If you or someone you know may be interested, we encourage you to learn more on our website at cottey.edu/online and explore whether one of these programs may be the right fit. I would also like to share an update regarding the relationship between Cottey College and the P.E.O. Sisterhood. During P.E.O.'s Convention of International Chapter last fall, the delegates voted to transfer ownership of the campus land and buildings to Cottey College. This step provides the college with greater flexibility to care for campus facilities, respond to needs more efficiently, and thoughtfully invest in the future of this place we all cherish. Most importantly, this administrative change does not alter the deep bond between Cottey and P.E.O. The connection remains strong, vibrant, and essential to who we are. Through governance, advocacy, student referrals, financial support, and a shared belief in the power of women's education, P.E.O. continues to play a vital role in the life of the college. As we look to the future, we are especially excited that 2027 will mark 100 years of partnership between Cottey College and the P.E.O. Sisterhood. Few relationships in higher education are as meaningful or enduring, and we look forward to celebrating this extraordinary milestone together. As always, there are many ways you can help be involved in advancing Cottey's mission. If you know a prospective student who would thrive here, please take steps to connect them with our enrollment team or encourage them to visit campus this summer. If you are looking for opportunities to engage or re-engage with campus, I invite you to join us for upcoming opportunities such as P.E.O. Visit Day this fall, Founders Weekend next spring, or Vacation College next summer. Or, if you want to experience the world, you can come with us on one of our future Cottey travel opportunities to places like London, South Africa, a cruise to Spain and Portugal, or New York City. There is tremendous momentum at Cottey College right now, and much excitement surrounding all that lies ahead. Thank you for your continued belief in our students, your support of this institution, and your engagement with the Cottey community. Together, we honor a proud legacy while building an even stronger future. Together, we continue empowering women to change the world.